Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Gravel borders are a versatile and cost-effective way to enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your outdoor space. Whether you have a garden, walkway, or a patio, incorporating gravel border can add texture, definition, and a touch of charm. In this video, we shall explore various creative gravel border ideas that you can implement to transform your outdoor area into a beautiful, inviting space. Number 1. Pathway accents. Gravel border can be an excellent addition to pathways, providing a clean and defined edge. Use contrasting colored gravel or larger stones to create a striking border that complements the path's material. This not only adds visual interest but also helps prevent the spreading of grass or weeds onto the pathway. Additionally, you can incorporate stepping stones within the gravel border to create a charming and functional path that leads the way through your garden or yard. Number 2. Flower bed edging. Elevate the look of your flower beds by adding a gravel border as an edging. Use small pebbles or crushed gravel to create a clean separation between the flower bed and the surrounding lawn or pathway. This border not only adds a visual distinction but also helps contain mulch or soil within the bed. Furthermore, you can strategically place larger rock or decorative elements within the gravel border to add texture and create focal points that highlight your beautiful blooms. Number 3. Garden path design. Create a unique and visually appealing garden path by incorporating a gravel border into the design. Use a combination of different gravel color or sizes to create patterns or intricate designs along the path edges. This can add a touch of elegance and create a cohesive look that complements your garden theme. Additionally, consider adding low-growing plants or ornamental grasses alongside the gravel border to soften the edges and create a seamless transition between the path and the surrounding greenery. Number 4. Patio and seating area enhancement. Add character and definition to your patio or seating area by incorporating a gravel border. Use larger stones or pebbles to create a border around the perimeter of the space, providing a visual separation from the rest of the yard. This not only adds a stylish touch but also helps to contain the gravel within the desired area. Additionally, you can place potted plants, outdoor furniture, or decorative elements within the gravel border to create an inviting and cozy atmosphere for outdoor gathering and relaxation. Conclusion. Gravel borders are simply yet effective way to enhance the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. Whether you use them to excavate pathways, define flower beds, create unique garden paths, or enhance your patio area, gravel borders offer versatility and charm. By incorporating these creative gravel border ideas, you can transform your outdoor area into a visually appealing and inviting sanctuary. Thank you for watching my video.